Hey, hi. Swapnil this side. In today's video, we're gonna compare four different platforms: Emergent, Rork, Ideavo, and Bolt. These platforms will be compared on the basis of how well they can make mobile applications. So we'll give a very simple prompt, build a Spotify clone, and basis this prompt, whatever UI will be built, we'll judge its responsiveness, how well it is made, the UI design, and the price comparison. Basis all these four parameters, we'll then stack rank the platforms as to which platform is better for building mobile applications. So let's get started. Okay, so we are currently on Emergent's platform. We'll build a mobile application. We'll write a simple prompt, build me a Spotify clone. Okay, now this is done. We'll move forward. We used Claude Sonnet 4.5. It will take some time to load. Okay, this is the user interface. Cool. Now we'll hop on to Ideavo's platform. Pretty clean interface. Let's write a prompt. Build me a Spotify clone. Okay, till the time I write the prompt. Okay, the best thing I like about the platform is, okay, we'll select Expo first. Okay, the best thing I like about this platform is the number of models they provide. As you can see, they can provide approximately not less than 150 models. Okay, let's move forward. We have used a free model, Kimi K2.5. Moving on to Bolt, built a Spotify clone. We'll write this prompt itself. Cool. Uh, the prompt is done. We'll use Claude Sonnet 4.5 only. They provide three models. They are based on Claude. Okay, built now. Let's, it will take some time. We'll move on to the next platform. Okay, on Emergent, we are required to clarify this question. Okay, they are asking a follow-up question to ask. Music source and playback. Okay, core features, priority, authentication, AI features, design preference. So for now, we'll skip authentication and we'll move forward. I think UI should be the priority at this point in time. Okay, so right. Uh, let's move forward. Now we are on Rork. We'll give the same prompt. Okay, they provide three different models. So we'll also have a comparison on model this time. Cool. Let's write the same prompt. Build me a Spotify clone. Okay, done. Let's move forward. Now it will take some time to load. Till that time, let's move on to all the platforms and check if the models are made. Okay, they have a very good interface, to be honest. Of all the four platforms, if I may say, this has a better interface. Coming on to Ideavo. Okay, the app is built. We have to scan this QR code. Let's check the responsiveness. Some buttons are working. Okay, some buttons are working. Good UI in the first prompt, that too from a free model, if you may tell me. Okay, okay, but okay, this page is a bit off, but overall, if you ask me, comparison, they have made a very nice application. Okay, this was the execution part. Okay, cool. This is the QR code that you can scan and view the app on Expo. Everywhere you can see this QR on each and every platform. Okay, we can switch the models as well. Let's get back to the old one. Okay, got it. Coming on to Rork, they have also made a good UI. It is a bit of a miss and match between Peaches and Stay. Okay, I think alignment is a bit off, but UI made is good. So, but okay, the complete page is not built. Responsiveness on image is not there. Alignment, as I said, is missing. But overall, first UI, if I compare, it's good. Not that great, but good. At this point of time, Ideavo, to be honest, is leading. Let's see what Emergent and Bolt have. Okay, this is how they executed. Okay, here you can scan. Right, so this code is present in all the platforms as I already mentioned. Okay, on Bolt, we have exhausted our limit. Okay, so this is a very big red flag. On the first prom itself, this shows it is a very costly platform. Can I even check how much tokens were used? No. Okay, entire limit has been exhausted, so this is out of the picture completely. So we just have three platforms currently. Okay, coming on to Emergent. Nice, but why is the app not loading? Start building apps on Emergent. Okay, Spotify clone MVP is ready for the feedback and next steps. Okay, let's reload. Cool. Preview. They should automatically preview, to be honest. Please wait, your app is brewing. Okay, so app is built. We had to reload it. That is a problem. Okay, images are not there. I guess no. In terms of UI, the UI made is not that great with the same prompt itself. Okay, okay, no, working. Playlist button is not working. That is a very big concern now. How will we get back? Difficult. I guess I'll have to check again or reload the website. If I reload again, the page will come in. No, this button is not working. Let's reload. Okay, again, I'll have to press preview. This is a hassle. Please wait, app is brewing. This is the URL that is being shown on the right side. You can scan to get the Expo app where you can see the application. Okay, now let's check another buttons. We'll not press playlist, probably will not get stuck there. Okay, nice. Again, back. I don't think we'll be able to go back even after loading. So probably in the first UI, I would have to rule out Emergent. Cool. Let's check the pricing. For the free model, it costed us 0 on Ideavo. Coming on to Emergent, it costed us this many credits are remaining. Okay, they provide 10 credits of this many credits are remaining. Coming on to Rork, where should I check? Okay, daily usage probably. Okay, 1 out of 5 credits are used. 5 were free credits. So in the following video, we compared all the models basis overall pricing and appearance. Let's start with appearance. So starting with the appearance, the UI and visual quality of Ideavo and Rork perform at a very similar level. Rork had few UI misalignments while Ideavo showed some elements at a larger than required size. These minor issues basically balanced each out and both the platforms were on the same level in terms of appearance, to be honest. Emergent was ranked last because the UI lacked images, which significantly reduced the visual appeal and overall user experience. Bolt was excluded from the appearance comparison as probably it failed to generate a complete functional UI on the very first prompt. Additionally, the available credits were also exhausted during the initial attempt, making this a very fair comparison impossible, to be honest. Coming on to the price comparison, when it comes to cost, Ideavo clearly stood out. It was the most available, affordable option, right? Because we also use the free model, Kimi K2.5 available. On other platforms, we use the best model so that we were quite sure out of the outcome that would come out. When we use the best model, that is Sonnet model, Rork consumed around 20% of available free credits and Emergent used nearly 80% of free credits. Since there is no direct correlation between the token usage and actual pricing, we evaluated cost based on the promotion of free credits consumed. And based on this metric, Ideavo was the cheapest, Bolt was the most expensive, Rork ranked second, and Emergent ranked third in terms of cost efficiency. So, considering both appearance and price, Ideavo emerged as a very clear winner. It delivered the most competitive UI quality as well as it was the most price effective option available in the space.